Hello and welcome. This is ESL class, which stands for English as a Second Language. And my name is Miss Page, and I'll be teaching you this semester. I'm really excited to get started. So, what is ESL? Well, you are in this class because you or your family mainly speak a language that is not English. And it's because of that we are going to be helping you in addition to your other classes. Now, what do we do in ESL? Let me explain. In ESL, we help you with your academic English. What is academic English? Academic English is just another word for school English. So anything that you're having trouble with in school English is what we are going to try to help you with. What else do we do? We help you. We can help you with your school. We can help your family connect with your teachers. And we can help you connect with your classmates. And lastly, in ESL, we want you to become stronger in English and stronger as a person. You are already very strong for learning a new language. And I hope that we can become a community that helps each other. And that, in summary, is what we'll be doing as ESL students. Okay, so for your first day in here, I would like to give you a survey. And a survey is a list of questions. And this survey is about you because I want to understand you a little more. So, what you have is a survey in Google Classroom. This is what Google Classroom would look like. If you log into Google, you will see this icon, and it says Classroom. So if you go in there and you click it will take you to Google Classroom. And this is our class right here, HJ Team 1. So if you have not joined this class, you need to click Accept. Once you accept, you can go into the classroom, and this is what it looks like. It's blue, and it has graduation caps. Okay. Then you will see under your stream or classwork, you can go to your classwork, and you'll see Getting to Know You survey. And what is a survey? It's a list of questions. Click. Okay, it's up. What you'll see is Getting to Know You. Here are the questions, and we'll read them together. Number 1, where have you lived? And your answer will be, I have lived in blank. For example, if I'm answering this question, I would say, I have lived in Virginia, North Carolina, and Spain. But this is about you, so you answer the question. Number 2, what do you like? I like blank. I like soccer. Number 3, what is your favorite song? My favorite song is blank. My favorite song is Be Thou My Vision. Number 4, what class is difficult for you? A difficult class is blank. A difficult class for me is math. And that's the questions. There's 4. Okay, so now it's your turn. And yes, you can use Google Translate. If you want to use Google Translate, you will go here and enter the text so you can answer the questions. And then, when you're done, you will submit your answers, and it will come up right here under classwork. Okay, I look forward to working with you this semester. Please work on and submit your surveys.